Today we'll be putting on this chrome cover on my 2004 Yamaha V-Star 1100 Classic. My horn's a little bit rusty. This is item number 8127 from Kuryakyn. There is a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase it. Once you're going to have it unpacked, you're going to get the cover that separates with an Allen wrench on these 3 screws. You're also going to get 2 nuts threaded, 1, 2. As you can see, I've taken out the 3 screws with a 4mm Allen wrench, and when you separate them you have this piece, and that piece. You can see my horn is very rusty, so the first thing we've got to do is take it off with a 12mm socket and take off this bolt. Always take a picture to show you and remind you how the thing went together in the first place. Once the bolt is removed, next thing we're going to do is just pull off these 2 wires here. Note that the red is on the left and I guess the white is on the right. As you can see, they just pull straight off, and there you have it right there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take off this nut, which is an 11mm nut. I'm going to unscrew that. Take it off, and there you have it. The bracket off, you're going to remove these washers and the rubber. They just pull out, and you can put those aside because these will not be used. We're just going to use this bracket. Okay, after playing with this, I've decided that the reason why there's 2 different nuts is because it depends on the depth of your thread once all this is assembled. As you can see, I'm actually going to leave the rubber washer in just for a little bit of dampener vibration. I'm going to go ahead and put that in somewhat similar to the orientation it was on the bike. And then you take this guy, push it through, line it up so everything is accessible, and then take my small screw and screw it on by hand. Snug it up, and then I'm just going to tighten it with a wrench, but you can see everything's nice and tight, everything is aligned, ready to go. Next thing you want to do is you want to take this little trim ring and you're going to place it over the horn, line up the holes. As you can see, it bridges that gap around there. We're going to line this up on the front, flip it over, and install the 3 screws with the 4mm Allen wrench. So there we have them, nice and tight, everything tight, ready to add the wires, bolt it back onto the frame. As you can see, we've added the wires from the back, the red to the left and the white to the right. Next thing is to do, we're going to line this hole up with that hole there and insert the 12mm bolt, and we should be good to go. So this is the final installation of the horn mod. Looks very cool, very shiny, takes you about 15 minutes, very easy install. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and leave any of your comments below. Thanks guys, bye.